Terry Robb Amendment.
Good evening. My name is Terry Robb Amendment, and I'm here on behalf of the Cannabis Patients Alliance and Colorado NORML. And but mostly I'm here because I'm a parent and I'm a grandparent. I'm a step-parent. And I want to say this ordinance is bad for kids. Not the ordinance, but this amendment, the Robb Amendment, is bad for kids. And this is why. You know, those parents that live in other states that you think are so lucky that they don't have to talk to their parents about cannabis, they're at a real disadvantage because they don't get to talk to their kids about cannabis because they're too afraid of being arrested, having their kids taken away, etc., because of anti-marijuana laws in those states. And isn't that what the voters of Colorado voted for when they voted for Amendment 64, is that we had said it's enough. We don't want parents being thrown in jail. We don't want our kids being thrown in jail. We don't want sanctions and et cetera, that people should be allowed to consume cannabis. And the law says openly and publicly, not just publicly. You know, it's time to let parents be parents in this state. This is a teaching moment. This is an opportunity to query kids about marijuana, about what they know. But apparently there are some parents that just don't want to have that conversation, and they expect you to enact laws to make sure that they can avoid ever having that conversation. And let's not forget that this issue is also, cannabis is also medicinal, and there are patients that have to hide in the shadows in order to use cannabis under this law. You know, I ride down the mall ride on the 16th Street Mall, and I watched a woman test her blood sugar and then give herself an injection because she was a diabetic. And I don't really have a problem with that, but I can't take my own medication on that same bus.
Thank you very much. Please take your seat.
Thank you. Please vote no on the Robb